regards, I am going to talk about the effects of the technology in the environmental. To search for the topic, take as reference some internet sources, also the documentals, and those obtain accurate information. First of all, I will take about the negative and positive effects of the strategy and the future of the planet. The first, the negative effects. Among the negative effects are atmospheric pollution, natural resource, pollution gases, and massive destruction of jungles and forests, among and others. The positive effects, and not only negative the effects. Let's see the positive from the test effects. Positive effects such as digital information, renewable energy, environmental and control, etc. The strategy to mitigate environmental damage, I recommend in this way we will make technology and the environmental go hand in hand and provide us wide opportunities and benefits in the people in general. The future of the planet, I consider we must, as we see, because in the future on the planet, as we see, there will be significant, very significant change, and we must not let it happen. Thank you.